Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add an MX record in Namecheap. Let's get started. First, go to Namecheap and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on Domain List from the left panel. In this new tab containing your domains, click on Manage from the far right of the domain you want to add an MX record in. In this new tab, click on Advanced DNS from the navigation menu, and then scroll down to the Mail Settings section. Click on the field next to it, and click on the option Custom MX from the drop-down. Next, add in the values your email service provider will give to you. Then lastly, click on Save All Changes from down here. And that is how you can add an MX record in Namecheap. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.